What's up guys? Good morning! Happy Christmas Eve! Ayan. So currently it's December 24. So siguro guys, di na ako masyadong mag-vlog ngayong Christmas. Vlog ko lang yung daily, yung buong araw siguro. Kasi di naman kami magpa-party totally. Magluluto lang ako kasi kaka-surgery lang ni Andrea kahapon. So ito, ako yung toka sa lahat. Nagpapahinga si Andrea sa taas. And ayun yung mga bata. Merry Christmas guys! Are you guys excited for your gift? Yeah! How about you, Clay? You excited with your gift? Huh? Huh? What? Are you excited with your gift? Yeah! Let's go! Ang lulutuin ko is turkey spaghetti. Ayan. So, nilabasan natin yung giniling na turkey. And pork steak. Ito. And lechon belly. Actually, hindi siya lechon belly. Parang lechon kawali. Ayan, yan. So, ako magluluto. And so, nilabas ko lang yung mga meat. And right now, baka maglinis ako ng bahay. Ayusin ang lahat, ilabas yung mga regalo para mamayang Christmas Eve o bago mag-Christmas, magdi-dinner lang kami, mag-watch ng movie. And ayun, nag-open ng gift at 12 a.m. What are you gonna say about this Christmas this year?
It's festive at least. I don't know.
Yeah, chill Christmas, right? That's what we talk about this year, right? We're not gonna too much party kasi simula nang dumating kami dito sa US since 2017. Sobrang puro kami party. And yearly ata hindi kami nakapag-celebrate ng Christmas sa loob ng bahay. Lagi kami nasa labas. It's either nasa event sa downtown or nasa party ng mga friends or relatives. But now we just want to have a silent Christmas. Ayan, para at least ayun, appreciate namin lalo yung Christmas within our family lang. So, ayan si Andrea guys. Oh. Ayan. Merry Christmas. So, meron akong pasyente. Cook din ako today. Babysitter din. Ayan, importante gumaling lang si Andrea.
A few inches later.
Ayan guys, wala nang white Christmas. Naubos na yung snow. It's a gloomy day guys. And it's a gloomy day guys. And which is kaya ang sarap lang magstay talaga sa bahay. Ayan. See? Yan ang Pasko sa Pilipinas. Ang Pasko ganitong oras pa lang. Ayan. Nakikita mo na ang dami na nagse-celebrate, dami ng tao sa kalsada. Here ganito. Ayan. Let's go. Merry Christmas, Kleng. Kleng, may ano yan dala mo. Guys, ayaw niya bitawan yan since nung na-receive ko yan from my workmate. Yeah, kinuha niya na. And yan, naglilinis na kami ni ate ng bahay. Ayan, ready na namin dito. Para mamayang dinner, dito namin iayusin yung mga food namin. And syempre yung mga gift dyan. And si Gany Doy, maraming gift yan. Pero gusto niya yung gift niya ni Daddy. Ayan, oh. Ayan, guys. Actually, may binuksan na siyang gift eh. Ito, saka yung aeroplano, nawala na. Usual, si Andrea nasa taas. Gagawan ko muna siya ng breakfast. Nag-request siya ng toasted bread. So, gagawa ako ng bread doon. Saka, konting strawberry jam daw. Ayan guys, hatid na natin yung breakfast ni Ma'am Andrea. Ma'am Andrea, may breakfast ka na.
Breakfast in bed.
Wala lang tayo yung table eh. Sige na, mag-ayos lang ako dun. See ya!
A few moments later.
guys, napaglinis na kami. So, tinulungan ako ni Ate Claire. Ayan, look at that, oh. Naglampasa, saka nagwalis. Sige, ate, it's okay. And kaso itong kapatid niya magkakalat agad. Ayan. Just konti lang clean, ha? O, yung shirt lang. O, you can brought it back. Ate, thank you for helping me. Merry Christmas! Ayan, so ayan. Medyo malinis na yung bahay. Ayan. Yung table. Ayan. Nakikinig ng salamat sa liwanag mo. Guys, update lang. Ready na yung pang lechong kawali natin. Yan yung pork steak. Naka-marinate na. Currently, it's yun yung oras. 2:21 p.m. And siguro mga 5 or 6 ko umpisahan yung pork steak. Madali lang naman sa katong ano. And then, ito na yung turkey na giniling pang spaghetti turkey. And then, baka mag-grocery muna ako. Bili lang ako ng drinks and dessert. Kung anong cake gusto ni Andrea. Ayan, si Andrea, oh. Nagro-rest, oh. Hi, Han. Nunod ng ano, King Kong. Ready na yung table later. Yung table. Christmas table. Simple lang, guys. Napaka-simple lang. Let's go. Ayan, guys. So, papunta kami ngayon ni Tiffany sa Aldi. So, bibili lang ako ng pasta, bacon. Kasi nagre-request ng breakfast na Christmas breakfast daw yung bacon. So, magluluto kami bacon bukas ng umaga. And then, kukunin din natin syempre yung gamot ni Andrea sa Walgreens. Yung ano niya, pain meds niya. Ready to pick up na daw yun. $8?
Three here.
Yep.
First one's going to be some powder to treat or prevent constipation, the polyethylene glycol.
Okay.
Mix it in liquid and drink once daily. There's medicine for nausea on Danzatron, which is every 8 hours is needed.
Okay.
Still in the drawer.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
I don't know if they on the valve prep.
Later.
Ayan, guys, tapos na kami sa pharmacy ni Claire. Nakuha na namin yung meds ni Mom. Right?
He said, like,
What? 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 Uh-oh, you can't say it here. You can't say it here. Ayan, guys. So, nandito na kami sa Aldi. So, papasok na kami. And, ayan. Mag-grocery lang kami ni Claire. Meron akong quarters dito. Ate, can you get a cart?
Okay.
Yan. Kuha lang ng cart si Claire. Okay. Yeah, go. Go. Mag-grocery ka. So, Christmas grocery si ate. Yan, wala si ma'am. So, it's mommy, and ate and mommy. Alright? So, dito na kami. Ate, can I have this? Yeah, you want salsa for it? Let's see. So, tingnan natin. Yan si ate yung ano, nag-grocery na. You want dip on it or no?
I mean, I'm not gonna eat it,
I think I'm fine. I think that's a cheese nachos, right? So you guys wanted bread or
so.
later?
I don't think we have bread anymore, so we should still buy some.
Yeah. Oh, check your bread first. Kung anong mas cheaper.
Okay, can we have sourdough bread?
What's that?
Sourdough bread.
Sourdough? Yeah. Okay, let's see. So get the cheap. Oh, it's only $3.99, no? Get. Yeah, maybe just one, right? Just for our breakfast, right?
Right.
Yeah, okay. May baka pa bang gusto? O get ka na din ng hotdog kasi $1.19. Ano lang 99 cents lang. Get 3. Get 3.
3.
Yeah. Ayun, okay. Wala kasi salamin si Claire
I can't see.
She can't see. So, sige guys, update na lang namin kayo later. Bye! Ayan guys, nagpe-pay na si Claire. Tinuturuan natin mag-grocery guys. Para pag nag-high school na siya or nag-college, yan, marunong siya. Ayan. And ayan guys, nalaga na natin yung panglitsong kawali natin, no? So, gagamitin lang natin siya ng air fryer. And then, next ko nang lulutuin yung, pork steak. Ala bistec ni Panlasang Pinoy. And then, syempre, lulutuin din natin yung spaghetti, turkey spaghetti natin. And, bumili na rin tayo ng bread. Ayan, saka cheese. And then, si Tiffany is magluluto daw ng mac and cheese and baked potato. Ayan, so isang potahe done. Let's go. So, hindi ko nahiwain siya, guys. Strip. Kami lang naman ni Tiffany ang kakain usually. Baka bigyan namin sila Dex. May mga niluluto pa kami dyan. And currently, prepare ko na yung sa spaghetti sauce. Ayan. So, ayan na yung ini-next ko. Tapos, ito yung turkey na giniling. And ito yung ihuhuli natin. Ayun o, one down. Lechon kawali. Let's go. So, ayan. Meron na tayo lechon kawali. So, tapos ang ating isang potahe, guys. Ayan. And, yun. Cooking na tayo ng homemade spaghetti sauce ni Andrea. Ito. Ginawa niya yan galing sa tomatoes niya sa garden. And ayun, laga na natin to. And lalagyan na natin yung spaghetti sauce after. Ayan, so nanonood kami ngayon ng Alexander Hamilton. Ayan, favorite ni Ate Claire yan. Right, Ate?
Right.
Yeah. So, hi ma'am.
Shoot.
Are you sleepy? Okay ka lang dyan? Yeah, si Klein din, nakatulog. Currently, it's almost 6 p.m. na pala. Ayan, Ayan. So, nakaluto na ako ng spaghetti and lechong kawali. Mac and cheese na lang ni Claire, saka yung pork steak. Ayan. So, hi ate.
Hi.
You want to watch that live?
Yes.
Yo. Sa amin ba may ganyan din kami?
Really
Oh. Ibong Adarna.
You
El
told me
Filibus.
about them before.
El Filibusterismo saka No Limit Angere. Yun yung mga napanood ko. And yes, ito naman ang next natin. Ang ating pork steak, no? So, pero panlasang Pinoy, guys. Natutunan ko lang kay panlasang Pinoy. Ayan. Ito lang natin. And then yung sauce, yun yung gagamitin natin, yung marinade din dito. So, ayan. Last potahe ko na. And currently it's 6:08. So, and guys, may kasama na ako magluto, oh. Yeah, ano niluto mo, Claire?
Mac and cheese.
Let's go.
It's just the process, okay?
What?
It's just the process.
trust the process daw, guys. We trust you, be. We got you. And then yung sa akin, malapit na. Ayan. Konti na lang. And then, saka ko nalulutuin tong ilalagay tong mga bagay-bagay na yan for the bistec pork chop. Let's go. Update na lang. Bye, Claire!
Bye.
Guys, tapos na tayo magluto. Ayan na yung pork steak. Pork bistec. Lalagay na lang natin itong mga to. Let's go. And we're done. Alright guys, highly recommended this play by Lin-Manuel Miranda. Ang ganda, right Claire?
Right.
Napa-standing ovation si Claire eh.
What?
And then si Ma'am din eh. Napa-standing ovation eh. Ayan o. Kaya pala gustong-gusto ni Claire yung yung book. Ganda kasi ng storya pala ni Hamilton, right?
Aw.
Mommy and Claire cried along the way.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright guys. Siguro kakain na kami after nito. Let's go. Bravo, bravo. Let's go. Ayan na, tapos na guys.
See, wait,
Ha? You wanna see?
Roger now.
You wanna see? You wanna see Lin-Manuel Miranda?
Yes, yes.
So shout out to the video. Balay mo makarating sa kanya.
Hi. I live Manuel Miranda. I'm like your biggest fan.
Guys, please share this video for
Stop.
Claire so that it will reach to Lin-Manuel Miranda and she'll have her signature. Look at her.
Eventually.
Ayan, so maghati tayo ngayon ng food kila Ma'am Chai and Sir Dex. Ayan, dito tayo sa harapan nila. Tingnan natin. Hello Ma'am, Sir. Sir, delivery po, sir. Merry Christmas! Boss, pagpasensyahan nyo na. Pagpasensyahan nyo. Oh, sir. Magagawin. Tapos medyo pasta lang. Medyo may ano. Ay, Tito Sam, Merry Christmas! Ayan guys, kakain na kami. Hi, ma'am. Hi, Claire. Merry Christmas! Ayun. Ate, let's lead the prayer.
Thank you, Lord, for letting us get this.
Amen. Let's go! That's it. Sabi ha, may makakain ka ba dyan? Tutum na si Claire eh. Clean! Ayun si Clean eh. Medyo may sumpong guys, kaya hindi na namin na ano doon. Meron siya doon yung kanyang potato fries. Ayan. Let's go! Ayan guys, tapos na kami kumain. And eto, magbubukas na kami ng gifts. And baka mag-chill na kami after na ito guys. Ayan, so thank you sa lahat-lahat na nagbigay sa amin ng gift. Ito. Let's go! Let's go! Get it! I love you. You can't wait to read it.
The second I'm dismissed from here.
Okay. Wow! Yan. Buksan muna natin yung kay Baby Clay. Kayo na to. So, thank you. Isang ano lang. Isang gift lang. Ang video namin. Yay! Cover! Open! Open! Gift natin kay Mommy. Let's go. Ariana, amoy mo na.
Amoyin ko na talaga to.
Let's see. Yun nga. Papabango mo ba yan ngayong gabi?
Oo. Kahit nasa bahay lang.
Oy. Wow, ang laki. Ang laki ng box. Ano
Ay,
to?
galing. Oh.
May lagayan. Wow. Astig. Niti, may perfume ni ma'am.
Pitch naman.
Alright. Galing to kila Chai.
Alright.
Woy!
Oy!
Groot, let's go!
Hello, Groot.
Mag ba to?
Yes.
Pop.
Claire, help your brother.
Mag na si Groot, let's go!
Oh,
Ang lagay ito
nice.
sa game room
Yeah. Collection.
Ay, ito din, feeling ko sa ito.
Oh.
Sa sumag mo. So,
Panalo.
thank you, ma'am and sir.
Thank you.
Yan.
Dex and Chai.
And ayun guys, what's up? Ayan, tapos na kami magbukas ng mga regalo. Ayan. Sa lahat na nagbigay ng regalo guys, maraming salamat. Merry Christmas sa inyo. And ayan, kung makikita nyo. Ayan. Marami kaming na-receive from friends and mga katrabaho. And yeah, gift ni Andrea from family. Ayan, thank you. And si Claire din. Claire, ayan marami din siya na-receive na gift from family and friends. And ayun, siguro dito na namin tatapusin guys yung vlog na to. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat guys. And maraming salamat dahil nakamit na natin ang 1,000 subscribers. Let's go! Ayan guys, thank you. Siguro gagawa kami ng separate video, reaction video about the 2,000 subscribers. Milestone natin guys, no? Pero ngayon pa lang nagpapasalamat na kami sa inyo dahil sa suporta nyo sa amin, sa vlog namin. And ayun, please keep on supporting our channel guys. Patuloy pa rin kaming gagawa ng mga nursing review, care of Andrea and me, mga sit down vlog. And then, Buhay Amerika, like ganito, mga simple celebration, mga ginagawa namin dito sa Amerika. And syempre, travel vlog. Kapag may ganap, mostly summer yan, makapag-travel na kami. Pero, yeah. Pero ngayon, Buhay Amerika vlog and nursing vlog muna tayo, guys. Ayan. So again, maraming salamat, guys. Merry Christmas and ingat kayo parati and God bless. Bye-bye!